Hey, what is up YouTube? It's Tech Drift here with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I want to show you a cool real feature that you can track your fitness and your health that Apple has already. So you can go ahead and check your fitness. If you go onto Fitness app and then you go ahead and click onto your daily ring. So today, as you can see, my daily ring did not move, it's 0. But you could set your different you could set the different calorie, how many you want to do a daily. This is a 200 calorie. It counts your steps and how many you do. This is a pretty real cool feature. You can also check it on the health app. If you go onto the health app, as here it says I only took 49 steps, which probably isn't accurate because this is a different phone. I used a different phone for it, so but it's pretty accurate. I mean, it is probably accurate because I didn't really use this phone, and when I was walking around, I didn't have it in my pocket. I had my other phone, so yeah, that's that. It's a real pretty good phone to having to know how many steps you took, your average steps over the past 21 weeks, and it'll show you how much calorie you burn, which is real neat. But yeah, it's a good feature. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.